All right, guys, today I got a really good one for you. The last time you stained or painted a fence with rollers and or a brush will probably end up being the last time you ever did after today's video. This $70 Harbor Freight spray gun allows you to load paint or stain into here, plug it into a regular 120 volt extension cord, and spray the fence. We're about to stain this. Like the video, subscribe for more. Let's get to it. I'm gonna take a brush and dip it in some stain and just get up under the bottoms here best I can a little bit more. As I do this, you will see the heavier, runnier spots soak in and spread themselves out. With this oil-based transparent stain, you don't really often need to worry about runs or thick spots, thin spots, because when you spray it for up to about a week afterward, it'll blend its way in, blend out the light spots and dark spots. I made a video comparing different types of stains, whether they be water-based, oil-based, transparent, semi-trans, solid. That video, I'll put a card up here. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the latch hardware best I can. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect until it gets rained on maybe once. Now we'll move around to the big side of the fence and do a little more spraying. All right, y'all, that does it. As you can see, we just knocked out probably 8 to 12 hours of stain work in about 2 hours, maybe an hour and 40 minutes. These things are about 70 bucks. It's made by Avanti and they're sold at Harbor Freight. Again, I'll put a product link so you can order it directly and it'll ship to your house. I do get a small cut off that, so I'd appreciate if you use the link. They're super easy to use. They make a bit of a mess, but any big stain project is. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave me a comment down below what kind of videos you'd like for me to make next, and I'll see you on the next one.